Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. This is Lounge Fever, a series of videos dedicated to answer your questions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, send us an email, tweet us, write to us on Facebook. We are available everywhere so that we can answer the questions that you may have while watching our videos, while studying for the project management professional, the PMP exam. Now, a lot of people have this common doubt after reading the schedule management knowledge area, and that is the difference between duration estimate and effort estimate. So if somebody comes to you and asks you about a certain project activity and they ask you what is the duration that the activity took to complete and what is the effort that the activity took to complete, your answer could actually be different. And why so? How is that possible? Let's dive deep and understand the difference between duration estimate and effort estimate, or just the duration and the effort. What is the difference between the two? And that way you'll be able to understand how your answer could actually be different for the same activity. Now, first up, duration is the total amount of time that an activity takes to complete. So quite simple, right? The total amount of time that an activity takes, let's say 1 day, if one of your project activities takes 1 day to complete, the duration was 1 day, as simple as that. What is the effort? The effort is the total number of man hours spent on the activity. So there's a new concept, man hours, if you don't already know. So this is the effort that has gone in. Total time is duration. Total man hours is the effort. Let's take an example so that it becomes more clear. If it takes two people 6 hours to set up the network switch, an example from our IT infrastructure domain here. So a large network switch, if you are setting it up, it may take two people 6 hours to set up the network switch, and they are both working on this network switch together. Now, what is the duration and what is the effort here? So, duration is 6 hours because it took 6 hours to get the network switch up and running. This was the project activity. But the effort estimate is going to be 12 hours. Why so? Because there were two people that worked for together for 6 hours. That means 6 into 2, 12. This should be 2. Apologies for this. So 6 into 2, 12. 12 man hours is the effort that it took to complete this project activity. So this is the difference between duration and effort. Duration is going to be 6 hours, the total amount of time taken. Effort is going to be man hours. So 12 man hours is the total effort taken to complete this activity. A quick reminder before we end the video, if you're looking for PMP preparation book recommendations, go over to pmclounge.com/resources and you'll be able to find our favorite books listed there. Hope you found this video useful and were able to understand the difference between duration and effort. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload new content on project management. We are all about PMP certification and project management. Don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you.